Hello, good evening, everyone. I hope my voice is audible to all of you guys. Just confirm me once. And okay, thank you so much. Very good evening to all of you guys. Good evening to all of you. Very good evening, guys. Good evening to everybody. Good evening to very good evening, guys. Khyati, Aditya, Bhavna, Sikha, Atika, Siva, Antima, Sunil. I am good, Sika. Thank you so much for asking. How are you all, guys? Everything going well, I hope. I am good. Thank you so much for asking, guys. I'm good, Atika. I hope you are also well. Okay, perfect, perfect. Happy to hear, Sunil. All is good. Okay, fine. I am also good, Satya. Thank you so much. I'm happy that you are having a good day. Okay, perfect. So today we are starting up our class, and this is our last class for this EDL program, that is 16 hour of learning and all that. I am good, Kiran. Thank you so much. I hope you are also well. So again, now you have to understand we today is our last session. So you have to stay till end to the sessions and all. So I will be starting up the topic, and then again our team will be sharing you valuable things and all that. So please make sure you stay till the end. Do not leave in the between or after I cut the class, because after I will be done, then our team will take you 10, 15, 20 minutes of time. So please stay till the end, guys. Now again, let's start with like whatever the topic today we will be covering. So we are covering today a very, I will say, important topic. Why it is important, I say, because again, we will be taking care of Google Analytics. So before going to that topic, what I want from you is particularly is I want to know like what you all guys think of analytics. I will come to Google Analytics, but as per you guys, what is analytics? Like when you heard the word analytics, only analytics, guys, what do you know about analytics as of now? If anybody say you analytics, so what are the things that comes in your mind? Reports of the company, okay, it can be said surely. Analyzing, okay, analyzing the data, you can say Akhil, that will be more appropriate. Apart from these two people to examine something, yes, analytics could be to examine data, like to be precise, because analytics is all about data. It's about to study or analyze in detail the information. Yes, it could be correct, Pavitra. Then statistical data of the report, okay, it could be. Yes, we can say, because statics is also part of analytics only. The person who analyzing something, like analyst, if you say na, then it will be correct, Mohammed. If I will say the person who analyzing something is called as analyst, but I am asking analytics. So analytics will be analyzing the data, all the information. Lavanya, it's like if you want to make your ad live, so as per your daily budget, you need to pay, basically. So it's in Google Ad, the amount that you need to pay like 500, 1,000, whatever your daily budget that you set. And so most of you are correct on that. Now, simple analytics is analyzing the data. Simple analytics. We will come to website service data, but as of now, we have talked about analytics, and analytics is all about analyzing the data. And now, why we do analytics? Basically, what is the purpose behind analyzing the data? Why do we analyze any kind of data, guys? Generally, why do we analyze any kind of data? To come to decision. Yes, very good, Sunil. So it's like precisely we are looking for, like you can say, decisions, or to compare reports and come to a conclusion. Generally, you can say easy to understand. I will rather say to take exact decision to know the company status. Yes, exactly, exactly. That is correct. Most of you are giving correct answers, so I'm very happy with it. Now, again, after that, if we talks about as a digital marketer, we don't have to become analyst or analytic and all that. What we have to do is we have to understand about web analytics. Why web analytics? Because we as a digital marketer, we are responsible for the website data. Means we should understand the website data. So why it is important to understand the website data? Because when I talked about businesses, so for example, we have different businesses. Being a digital marketer, we can get into the different businesses. And when I say different businesses, what I call basically is generally is like you can say is like particularly some of you can get place for real estate, some of you can get place for farm industry, some of you can place for pharma, some of you can get place for like you can say uh, hospital, some of you can work for dentist, some of you might work for as a freelancer and all that. So it's very important for us to know like what kind of people is coming to our website. And when I say what kind of people that are coming to our website, I should be knowing like, okay, this is happening, okay, that gender people is coming, that demographics people is coming, from that city that people is coming and all. And I should be knowing if especially if it is a product based company, which product people are buying, which product is giving me profit. So that is again necessary to know. So to know all in one about our website, like who are coming, who means, I mean demographics. Exactly, you will never know which people has come, but you can know what kind of people have been coming to your website, from where they are coming, and generally which product majority of people are at liking and all that. So let's go and let's understand about the web analytics. So again, first of all, we will see how we can connect to the web analytics. So to connect to web analytics, what you need to do is you need a Gmail ID and you need a website. So again, as a digital marketer, our role is to give the code to our web developer. Now, why as a digital marketer, we don't go to the coding part and all? Because in an company, or if it is a freelancing client also, so client will have web developer who will be taking care of their websites and all. So they will be responsible for making any changes and all that. And in company also same thing happens, guys. So we as a digital marketer, we should remember the process, and anywhere we need to implement coding and all, we need to tell to our web developer. Means whoever is like front end developer or back end or full stack developer, whoever is working with us in our company, we need to tell them. Now let's first see how to connect to analytics, then we will see how to analyze that. So again, let's go here and let's understand here. To connect to the analytics, first you will go here and you will type here Google Analytics. So just in Google, you will go and you will type Google Analytics. And once we go and once we type here Google Analytics, so what we supposed to do here is we will click on this Google Analytics. And once the analytics will open, generally, once the analytics will open, what you can do, you can just switch to the account that you want. So suppose I want for this account particularly. So I will go to this account here. And once I go to the account here, basically, so again, I will go and I can create as many as account that I want, basically. So again, I can go and I can, how to add the account? I will go and I will click on here, option, this admin option, this setting here. So whatever you are seeing on the screen, here you will get the setting gear option. So once you see here the setting gear options and on, so you will click on this setting gear And once you click on the setting here particularly, then afterwards, you will get the option of create account and create property. So create account option, again, it depends like whatever I want. So suppose I want here for, like you can say, particularly for account and all. So I will go and I will create the account. So simply what step you have to follow to link any website to Google Analytics. Whatever website we own, we can connect that because we can't see the analytics of Flipkart and Amazon unless and until they have shared with us. So they if they have not shared with us, so we can't see that. But suppose if it is a new website, you go in the startup company or you have got the client that have has does not integrated analytics, so for them we can do that. So simple way, we will come to this analytics and then we will click on this admin option and then we will click on create account option, guys. And here I will go and I will create the account option. So again we will go and we will particularly we will type here. So for example, we will go and we will go and we will type here particularly with the account details. So suppose I want to create for my personal account or my website. So I will go and I will type here. So once I will go and I will write the account name. So whatever account name that you want. So suppose I want to keep it here, demo ExcelR. So again, if I want here to create the ExcelR account and all, and then afterwards here, if you scroll down, so once you scroll down, what you need to do is you will go and you will click on next. Yes, you can also try that, but again, you will need a website to access the data. What I am showcasing you is the process so that in future, suppose you will make your own website or you will do digital marketing, freelancing and all. So you know how to connect the account. So please first see that. So again, later you will be having the recording so you can see that whenever you need to connect with client account or your own website. So how you will create that uh, Google Analytics with your website. So again, we can go with the next option. Just I have given here the name. So name you can give of your website only so that you can know like, okay, for this we need. Then we can go with next year. And once I go with the next year, then we will write the property name. So again, I am doing here for demo, suppose demo XLR. And then here reporting time zone, we will, this is very important. Now, what is reporting time zone, guys? Reporting time zone is particularly reporting time zone is what time we want our report to. That means like which country. So for example, if I'm selling my goods to Dubai, so I will keep my Dubai reporting time zone. Why? Because my target audience is Dubai audience. But suppose if my target audience is Indian audience, so I can keep India. And if my target audience is worldwide, so in that case also I can go with the India. But suppose if my target audience is Canada or USA or any other and all, so I can go and I can choose that. So what I will do, I will just choose here India. So these are just the formalities we need to do to connect. So I will go here and I will just go with India. Yeah, India option is there. So I will select India. So India is GMT, that is global time plus 5:30. So that is Indian time zone and currency also we will select. So if we are doing with India, so we will go and we will select here Indian rupees. So we will go ahead and we will go with the Indian rupees. And then we will go with the next. So here just we have given name and we have chosen the time zone where our audience is particularly. Then we will go with the next and the industry. This is important to choose. Industry means which industry our business belong, guys. So suppose our business belongs to arts and entertainment, autos and vehicles, beauty and fitness, book and literature, business and industrial, computers and electronics, finance, food and drink, games, health, hobbies and lectures, home and garden, particularly internet and telecom, jobs and educations, and all. Whatever you want, you can here depending upon your business. So industry categories is to choose what business our like you can say particularly our business falls into what category. So here we will just be choosing the categories. So suppose my business is food. So I will go and I will select food, and this is just for normal purposes. So you can select as per your employee and all. Suppose you have 10 employee in the company, so you can go with the small. In case if you have 100 employees, so you can go with the 11 to 100. In case if you have large, like 101 to 500 employee, so then you can go ahead with the 101 to 500. And then we have very large, so we can go with the 501 plus employee and all that. Then afterwards here, we can go and then we can click on create option, basically. And if you want to analyze any of this, like suppose I want to track all of this information. So you can select all of it and then you can click on create. So what I did, I just did here, I give an account name, whatever name I want. And then after that, I have given the property name and I have chosen the reporting time zone, what time zone I will prefer, and the currency. And then afterwards, what I have done, I have just chosen the, I can go ahead here and I can see here the industry and then business size we can choose. And then we can select whatever information we want. And after that, we can click on create. And once you click on create here, again, you will choose India here, because again, if your audience is in India, so you will have to choose India, and then you have to accept the term and condition. So here you need to accept here a term and condition. One here you need to accept and one here. So two accepts you need to do. And once you accept the term and condition, then you will land to this place where you can see here website. So we as a marketer, we are very much interested in website. So as a digital marketer, our main areas is that we are marketing is a website. We are not interested in app and all, because that is again a different ball game. Like app developer or app marketer will be needed. So what we need is website. So we will select here web, and once we select here web, we will give here the website URL. So for example, whatever website URL I want. So for example, I have just the dummy URL I have. So just I can go here. Now I can copy this. And once I copy, I can go and I can paste it here. And whenever you are copying here, you have to make sure, basically whenever you are copying, so it is HTTP or without HTTPS. So again, here you will see this is HTTP that we have copied. So what we will do here, we need to select HTTP, and you do not have to repeat. I'm again repeating this step because a lot of you make mistakes in this step. When we copy our website URL and we go here and we paste, so what happens is HTTP also get copied. So you do not have to repeat it. So what you will do, you will delete here HTTP only, and the name and extension you will keep, and then again change that to HTTP. So if your website is HTTP, like not secure, you will go with HTTP. If your website is secured, for example, suppose if I have to do for ExcelR, sorry. So here we will go, and suppose if I need to do for this, so it will be HTTPS. Why? Because connection is secured basically. So that's why it's depend upon what you are choosing. And just after that, giving here the URL, you will give the stream name. So stream name, again, you can give whatever you want. So suppose I want here my own, it is suppose my personal website for like here. So I will go and I can give that stream name like personal website, or I can give my website name only like Kautilya Roshan. And then I can click on create stream. So once I click on create stream here, then afterwards here, what you need to do after creating stream, just you need to wait for few seconds. And once you wait for few seconds, see automatically it will come. So what you can do here is you can go with the install manually option. And again, you can go and you can give this tag to your developer. So again, you can give this tag to the developer, and what developer will do, they will add this code in each page under the header section. So there is a head section in the website. So they will go and they will paste that in each and every section. So this is not my work. So suppose my developer is XYZ. So what I will do, I will copy this and I will mail it to my developer. So I will open the Gmail and whatever name, suppose my, like you can say developer name is basically suppose Sunil, for example. So whatever a developer name is, for example, suppose my developer is this. So I will go and I will select here. I will say like analytics code needed to be added in website, added in the website. So again, I can go and I can paste that code. And once I paste that code, here I will mention where it need to be pasted. So again, in the note section, I will go and I will write here basically. So they need to paste that in here. So I will just mention that and I will mail it to my developer. So again, once they will see here, they will understand, okay, they have to paste this code on every pages and all that. So this is how we connect. And once your developer has pasted this code in your every page of the website, then afterwards it's become very easy for you. Then you can see the data basically. So let's now go and let's understand the data here. So I think everybody understood, guys, how we will connect that. Give me a quick yes if we got that. It's just we have to follow the process. Is nothing else we will do. At last only we got the code that we need to mail to our developer. You can mail or you can WhatsApp. Everything is fine. And if you have a group for your company, so you can put in that. So after that, particularly, let's see how we understand the data and what kind of data we understand and all that. Okay, perfect. So let's now go here. And just a second. Let me just see one of my. Okay, just a second. I'm just logged in into the account, basically, where I can show you some of the data so you will get an idea. Just a second. Google Analytics. Yeah. Yeah, so we are getting this, and this data, whatever is getting, though it is a very, very new website basically, but still it is okay to make you understand, guys. Now, again, what this website is, let's first understand about the website. So, how we understand about any website, guys, what it does and all that? Does anyone remember? Like we talked that in our keyword research while we were doing the SEO part. So anyone does remember like how we will know about the business and all that? About us section, yes. Very good. About us section and the homepage we will see, and we will get an idea if they have products, so we will know about that. Now again, whatever we are doing, you can do that as a practical, like we did SEO, you can take a website and you can start the SEO. You can do social media, whatever way I showed you, you can do email marketing and all. Then you can start advertising. And now you can connect the, like if you own any website and all, you can go and you can connect the website and you can start analyzing the data. So whatever we did a practical, because I never gone through the PPT and all. I have never shared you any PPT or just one by one and all things. So all the things, that's the reason I showed you practical. So you get the idea where like, okay, how this is done, what it is done and all. Now let's go ahead here and let's come back to our topic. So here what we will do, this website is basically SVR Farms. You can contact ExcelR guys. Don't take my personal number. You can contact our team anyway. They will be very, very happy to help you. Don't worry about that. Now, again, this is one website for which you will be seeing analytics. So let's understand about that website. So this website is all about farmland, guys. So this is all about our farmland. So it is about it provide the farmland for the people. So farmland is like you can say there are two kinds of farmland. One is managed farmland that will be managed by them only, and one is agriculture land. So agriculture land is like you can go and you can grow lot of like you can say agriculture product, whatever you want, like wheat, rice, and all that different products and all that. So they are the seller of that. So once we go to the about section, see, we can know what it is. So again, if you go, it is SVR is one of the major farmland developers, land bankers, and manages the farmland by agriculture professionals and all. So they generally provide everything related to agriculture, farmland, and all that. So now again, we can come here to our analytics. And once we come here to the analytics, so here you will see the home. So once you see the home, guys, particularly, so home page is the important page that you have. Now again, in this, let's understand about the data. So again, whenever you will take the mouse to that particular place and all, so here we need to understand about the basic concept. So once we talked about the basic concept, what it is here is like, let's understand here about users. So what is users, guys? Users is the people that are coming to our website. So users is the people that are coming to our website in last 7 days. See, by default, it is showing for last 7 days. So in last 7 days, how many users has come to our website, that is shown by the users. And then afterwards, if I go ahead here, if I go ahead with this, like if I go and I go ahead with the different approach, like suppose if I want to see here for the 28 days, so I can go and I can see here for the 28 day how many users has come to our website. Now again, after that, particularly we have a new users. So the difference between users and new users is, new users is the first time visitors, new user is first time visitors, and users is the person who have visited our website. So any idea, guys, how Google know you are a new users or you are a like a revisitors and all? Anyone knows like how Google knows about that? Email ID, yes, correct. Because we are logged in into our email ID 24/7, basically. Whenever we are using, like you can say, either mobile device or laptop, nowadays, so we are logged in into all the email and all that, basically. So again, if I go, I also keep on logging into email ID because we don't want to again log out, then again log in. So there are a lot of issues are there and all. So we make sure we are logged in into the account. So that is how they know. Now again, if we go ahead here, the third thing that we have is average engagement time. So average engagement time is, you can say, the time that people are spending on our website averagely, means 96 people are coming. So can anyone tell me in the user section, the number new user is also included or both are different thing? Does user data include new user also? Guys, does user data include new user also? Yes, guys, because user is a people whoever have visited our website. So users is the bigger picture than again new users. Out of 96 people that have come to our website now, 91 are new user. So user is total number of people that has come to our website, whether it's new, old, whatever it is. So user is the important data that we see, like how many people in the selected timeline have come to our website, basically. And then what all are the new users and all that. So that is how we know, we go and we do that. No. Users are the people who has come, Nish, to our website. So it's like whether they are coming for the first time or they would have come to the multiple times and all that. So that depends. Like all kind of users that have come to our website is count in the users, basically, guys. Now, after that, we have average engagement time. So average engagement time is the time which people are spending on our website. So again, basically, you can say, yes, those who have come again and again to our website. So 5 users have visited the website again, and 91 are the very much new people. Now again, after that, we have average engagement time. So average engagement time is the time spent by the users on our website. So that is called as average engagement time. Then after that, we have conversion. So conversion is what are the like particularly desired results. So whatever desired results we want. Now, what is a conversion, guys? What is a conversion? No. Here is it average engagement time. Nitin, don't get confused with SEO. It is average engagement time. So time spent by the user on our website, not the loading time. It is time spent by the user on our website. A lead sale, yes, we can say that. So conversion is a desired results, whatever desired results that I have. That will be called as a conversion, basically. So conversion is nothing but the desired results. But to get conversion, I need to set. Now again, how I will set that conversion? Yeah, it's like whatever results we want from people to do. So to set conversion, what you will do, you will go ahead here in the setting here, admin section here in this, and then afterwards here you will go and again see the conversion option. Again, I am repeating, once you, if you want Google Analytics to record your conversion, whatever conversion that you want. So what you need to do, you need to set the conversion. How you will set? You will come here to the setting here. And once we come here in the setting here, see in our property, there is a conversion option. So we can go and we can create the conversion. See, I do not have created anything. So I have just created purchase. So again, there is no purchase since it is not a e-commerce website. So that's why here 0% count is there. So if I want, I can go and I can create new conversion event and I can name the event. So up to 40 event we can create basically, like 40 characters we can give here. Whatever name I want, I can give up to 40 character. And once we create that, basically, so suppose I want to create here demo event, for example, I just given demo ExcelR, for example. And then after that, if I go here, form, sign up for all the pages on the page. And once I go, so again, there might be like I have got only read access for this, like you can say website. So that's why I'm unable to create the event. So why I'm unable to create? Because my client has given me only read access. So I can take the client's account, client email ID and all, and there I will go and I will be able to create that. So here you can create the event. The idea here, you have to understand, if you own that property, you can simply go in the setting option. And once you go to the setting option, then you can go to the conversion option and you can create here the conversion. So again, whatever you want to track basically. So that is how we do that. Now again, let's come back to our data here. And you have to have the admin access, guys. Means if you have the admin access or the main account access and all, then only you can go and you can watch out for the like conversion. You can create the conversion action, and depend upon that, it will take here how many conversion has happened. Now again, if you see the next thing, guys, if you can see the screen here, you can see user in last 30 minutes. So in last 30 minutes, how many people has come to our website? So in last 30 minutes, one user was there, and that is from India, basically. Then afterwards, if I scroll down here, now once I scroll down here, see, I can see the countries from where people are coming. So see, like 9 people from India are coming, 8 people from United States, 2 people from Sweden, and again, like from Ireland, 0 people and all are coming. So it is telling us about the country. No, you can only do analytics of the website that you have connected to. So if you are the owner, or if you are working in the company, so company will be giving you access of this. If you are working with a as a freelancer, so you can either check with the clients if they have Google Analytics active. If not, so the following step that we did at the starting, that you can do, and then afterwards you can analyze the data. Now here you can see, we can know about the country, which country particularly we are getting the data and all that. So if I go here in the here view countries, so once I go to the view countries, see, I will be able to see here the countries from where we are getting the data. Now let's understand here the data of the countries. So let's understand here the data. So once I click, what I did, again I am repeating, I just got to the home page. In the home page here, we had the country data. So I just click on view country. And once I click on the view country data, so you can see what is majority of people from where they are coming. So majority is India, then United States, then China, then Germany, then Sweden, and then so on. Then afterwards, I can see here the country. So again, country-wise data you can see, and you can see here users and new users. So again, United States, whatever people that we got, all are the new users only. So 21 is the total number of people that are visiting to our website, and 21 is the same number of new people, like they are coming to the new websites and all. And then after that, for the first time that they have come. Then we have the engage session. So session is, guys, number of time. Session is number of time. So session, whenever we talked about session, so session will be our number of time people have come to our website. So 21 people have, like you can say, engaged session. So they have 8 time they have come and they have spent time. What about the rest people? They have not spent a lot of time in our website, or they do not have engaged with our website. What do we mean by engage? Engage means if you are visiting multiple pages, or if you are clicking on any call to actions and all that. So suppose if you are going and if you are clicking on any call to action, so again, particularly that will be also counted as a engaged user. So suppose users just write, they send the email, subject and message, so they will be getting that particularly. Now again, if we go ahead here, generally, after that, if I go ahead here, so we have the engagement rate. So engagement rate is to the people, whatever people that are coming to our website, basically to the people that are doing some activity. So engagement rate is when people are doing some activity on our website, that is called as, like to the people who is coming to our website will be called as engagement rate. So if engagement rate is high, so that is good, means your content is engaging, people are liking your websites and all, you can say that. Now, engage session per user. So session is number of time that people are coming. So session, whenever we call about session in Google Analytics, you just have to remember it is number of time people are coming to our website. So again, engage session. So again, like it is 0.58. So again, uh, if suppose any users come to our website 2 times, so out of 2 times, 1 time they are engaging with our content. And then we have the average engagement time. So average engagement time is basically is depend upon basically whatever time that combinedly all people are, like you can say, spending, divided by total number of people coming to our website. So it is like time spent by the people on our website. And then event count. So what is event count here? Event is like, again, in a normal website, event could be submitting the form like of the website. Event could be looking out to the different pages, scrolling down and checking all the options that we have and all. So checking the Facebook, checking the Instagram, anything that they are doing and all. So all will be called as normally, like you can say, as a like basically all will be called as the activity, or you can say that as a event, basically. So all activity, any activity, like whether they are scrolling up the page, or they are looking for multiple links, or they are submitting the forms, all will be counted as a event. So we can see on that. Then afterwards, conversion. So conversions we need to set. So if we want to track any particular thing, so then we can go and we can set for the conversion. And then if it is a product company, so obviously, depending upon the price that we have in the website, they will tell you about here about the total revenue that we have. So that is called as a revenue, basically. So that will be called as a revenue. So revenue means how much, like particularly people have buy the product. So especially for product based website we do. Now, if I go back here in the home, now once you go here particularly, now again, next thing is session. Session means number of times people are coming. So again, you can see here, some people are coming direct, some are coming from organic search, some are coming from organic social, and some people are coming from referral. So again, how we do that particularly, what is direct? Direct is people is directly going to our website and they are typing the URL. So instead of searching in Google, they are typing the URL, like they are typing here, svrfarms.com. So directly they are typing and they are going with that. So once you go here, go ahead here, svrfarms.com. So then we go and we go ahead with that. Now again, if we go ahead here, like SVRfarms.com and all that. Then afterwards, particularly, we go generally. So what we can do here is we can go SVRfarms.com and then we can click. So this will be called as direct traffic whenever you are going directly to that particular website without taking help of the Google. So that is direct traffic, guys. So direct traffic. So if we have lot of direct traffic, what we can say, guys? Can we come to any conclusion as per you? If we are getting lot of direct traffic, like maximum traffic, if we are getting direct, so what we can do basically? Can we say anything? Direct means people does know about our brand. Can we say that? No. Can we say that people are recognizing our brand? Yes, we can say that. No. Organic is different. I will come to that. Now let's see one by one. What you are not understanding, Sudhana, you have to tell me exactly that. What it's just simple. We are seeing here the data, guys. Here it's like you do not have to understand each and everything. What you have to understand, the way I am seeing things, means you have to understand what kind of people are coming, how much time they are spending and all, and what number of times they are coming to your website. So it's very simple. You just have to analyze data one by one. You have to take time and you have to analyze, and you don't have to analyze full analytics. It's just few things that I am telling you. You need to analyze that, and then again you will be knowing like a majority of part, okay, what is happening in your website. Now again here, after this direct traffic, we have organic search. So organic search is the SEO traffic, guys. So suppose people are going and typing, like suppose farmland, or they are typing organic farmland. So if they are going and if they are typing, or if they are typing directly SVR farms. So again, they are typing that SVR farms, and then afterwards, particularly they are clicking on this, and then they are going to that. That is called as organic traffic. Organic means whenever you are taking the help of the Google. So either you are going with the, like you can say, the keyword that we are ranking for, or either you can say we are going with the word, like brand name only we are typing, and then we are going ahead with that. So this is called as organic traffic. Then afterwards, if I go ahead here, so we have organic social also. So what is organic social? Means from social media, whatever traffic we are getting, and that is organic. Organic means without paid, means without advertisement. So whatever traffic that we are getting without advertisements is called as organic traffic, basically. So organic traffic is whatever traffic that we are getting from organic social media. So it could be Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, or YouTube. So wherever we are getting the traffic, that is called as organic social traffic. And then we have a referral. So referral is in simple, whatever traffic you are getting from links. Now, for example, what I did, I go and I shared you the link. So in your chat box, if I shared you the link, you guys went and you guys clicked on that. So that will be called as basically referral traffic. So this traffic, when I will share that you with you on the WhatsApp or on group or on Messenger, anywhere and all. So if you click on the link and then you will come back to that. So that is called as referral traffic, guys. Then afterwards here, if I go ahead here, I can go and I can see what pages people are seeing. So you can see 26 people have viewed the home page. See, again, I can see the page title. So this is again an important data to understand. Why the important data to understand? Because this gives you idea like what page people are liking most and what page people are landing to. So again here, I can see home page is the one that is liked by most of the users. So 26 homepage visitors we have, then 4 about us visitors we have, then 0 contact visitors we have and all. Then again, if I go ahead here, so I can click on see suggested insight. So again, what I can do, create selected. So what I will do, I will just custom insight has been created. So this is like particularly is like Google recommendation. It is always good thing to keep your insight, guys. Why it is good thing? Because it is good to know Google a recommendation, what Google is recommending about my websites and all that. So that is again a very good things to have basically. So that is how we go and we check basically on that. Then again, if I go ahead here, if I will go ahead with this here, after that, what you need to do is you need to click on this a report section. So you will click on this report section. First is the home. So if you understand the home, it is okay. Like you understand most of the thing, basically. But again, for detail exploration, you can click on the report section. So in the report section, first thing that you need to understand in the report is the last one, this demographics and technology. So demographics, we will go and first we will see. So demographics will tell us like what kind of people is coming to our website. So first thing is home, and then afterwards report, and in report demographics under user. So you will go and you will see here the demographics of the users. And once you go here, so here we can go ahead and we can see the country that we are getting the traffic from. We can see the users that we are getting the traffic from and all that. And again, basically I can go and I can check particularly. Now again, basically, if I go ahead here, if I will go ahead here, like I can see here the country that I am in, and I can see the users that I can go and I can see that, and I can see the cities here, whatever the cities, like particularly people are coming, and even gender. Since the data is small, so that's why here gender data we are not getting particularly. And then if I go here with the user by interest, so the data generally is not there, lot of data, so that's why they are not telling us about that. And then again, you can see the user speaking language like English, Hindi, and user by age. So again, we cannot do anything into that. So again, once we go with the age and all that, so we can go and we can see here like what all age and all that we can do basically. So again, generally is like a particularly here. Basically, we know and we can see here the details. So that details can help us to understand. For example, here the detail of cities like help me to understand what is Bangalore, what is Hyderabad, what is Chennai, what is Delhi, what is Forest, what is Kochi, and all that basically. So I can go and I can understand this and all, and I can do that. Now again, particularly here, if I go, I can see here the age and I can see here the users and all that. So it's like the data that gives us the idea about what kind of people is coming to our website. And once you go to the demographics details, so once we go to the demographics detail here, now again, particularly here, once I go and if I see here users by the country. So once I go and once I see the users by the country, here. So I can go and I can particularly see here India, United States, China, and all that. And then again, you can see how many users are coming from that particular country. And out of that, how many are new users, how many engaged session is happening, means people doing some activity and all. Then engagement rate means to the time people are coming to the how many times they are engaging with that. Then again, engage session per user. So you can see that average engagement time means time spent by the user, and event count, and the conversion and total revenue. So this gives us the idea about what is happening with our website. Then we go with the tech here. So tech is about the technology that is people are using. So a tech is all about the technology that people are using. So majority of things you can see here. What are the operating system people are using? People are using Android, people are using Linux and all. What exactly people are using and all basically to do that. So again, if we go ahead here, generally, so we can go and we can see here. So once we go ahead with that, basically, so we can see here in detail like operating system, users, Linux, Windows, Chrome, Macintosh, iOS, web mobile, web desktop, and all that. So again, we can go ahead with the Chrome, Android Web View, Safari, Edge, Samsung Internet, and mobile and desktop. I can see here the percentage of desktop. So it's like particularly mobile version or desktop version. We can see. So what we can understand with here that 46% people are coming from the desktop and 53% is mobile. So again, it gives us idea, guys, like we have to be, our website should be good for any kind of uh, like you can say users, any kind of, when I say na, it's like you can say particularly is like particularly we can go and we can see since both from both the devices people are coming, so we have to make sure our website opens well in both, like in the mobile also and in the website also. And then here you can see here the screen, like user screen and all that. So again, you can see here how the screen size, what are the screen size that people are using. And in last 30 minutes, you can see how many users have come and from which platform, from web they have come, means they are coming from the web version and all that basically. So again, now again, once we go ahead here, particularly basically, and basically it's like I can go and I can go ahead and all that, and I can go ahead and I can go and I can see the much detail here. So again, if you go in the tech details, you can see much more details about what is happening and what all browsers and all that. So here it does give you like browsers. When I say see, you can see here the detail of which browser people are using. So most of the people are using Chrome, and then Android, and then Safari and all that. So these are the top browser that are being used to go to the website. So it does like just give us an idea like if our website should open well in these kind of browsers and all. Now again, once I go ahead here, particularly Chrome and then Android web views and Safari and then Edge and then Samsung Internet and all that. So I can go and I can do ahead with that. Now again, if I go here with the users particularly, so again 85 basically we have, and then again from Android we have 4, then from Safari we have 3, and then from Edge we have 1, and then from Samsung we have 1. And then again, new users, we have 80, we have 4, we have 3, we have 2, and we have Edge is 1, and then Samsung Internet 1. So engage sessions is like 53, then again 1, and Safari is 1, and then Edge is 1, and then Samsung Internet is 0. And then again, engagement rate is particularly, you can say how many people out of how many people are coming to our website, how much they are engaging to and all that. So again, we can see all those data for the particular browser and all. So this is the detailed data that we can give. So we can get an idea. So again, you can say Chrome, people are using Android, people are using Samsung mobile also, those who are coming. And then Safari means again, Apple users are also there. So this all gives us the idea particularly about that. Now, apart from that, one more thing that you guys can see here, that is real time. So what is real time? What is happening currently? Live means how many users we have currently live. So again, like you can say real time, again, you can say here from where, which location people are there. See, Bangalore, Mumbai, Pune, Telangana and all. So we can see here from where people are coming online right now in last 30 minutes basically. So in last 30 minutes we got 15 users, and out of those 57% users are from mobile, and then we have the desktop, others users are coming from the desktop and all that. And then afterwards here you can see from Telangana how many peoples are there, then Bangalore, and then like you can say from Pune, and then from Mumbai. So most people are from Telangana that was live, like that were active out of 15. So 11 people are from Telangana. And then again, what they did see. So like again, basically page titles and all that. So again, most of the people have viewed here, like you can say SVR Farms homepage. And some of the people has visited the about us page and all. So it does give you, and you can see here the page view, like what they have done. So here you need to just understand that page view is if you are viewing the page, and first visit is first time you are visiting to that website. And session is like number of times you are visiting to that website. And user engagement means doing some activity. And scroll is suppose you are going to the website and you are just scrolling it down. So this is called as scrolling, guys. Now again, if I go ahead here, I will click on clicks. So how many clicks we are getting, that we can go ahead with that. And then afterwards, once we go, so after that, once we go, we can check here all the details. So all the details here will be of real time. So any idea why we will check the real time, guys? What we can get out of real time data? Anyone, any idea like what we can get out of real time? Current market, okay, okay. When an user is active, okay. What about when we are giving sales? Like suppose, no. This is real time, guys. Real time is about now, like in last 30 minutes, how many users have got? No, this you can't go tally, because again, this is one of my client that I am showing you the access of. So you need to have your own website to like to see this data, or if I will give you access, then you will get to know. So when you are company working for a company, or you are working for a clients and all, so at that time, it depends. Like client will give you the access of this, or you need to create the Google Analytics for your client. So depending upon the situation, you will get the access. So like My client has given me access, read only access, so I am able to show you all the things. So just like that, when you work for clients or in company, so they will be giving you access to analyze the data. No, Amina, this is real time means last 30 minutes. What others in homepage, you are saying will be correct. But again, like particularly, now again, here, particularly real time is about the solutions. Solutions, when I say, is about, suppose if I'm running the sale. If you guys remember Great Indian Amazon sale or the like particularly Big Billion Days. So that time, again, if I am running sale, so I will be very much interested in seeing what kind of like particularly users are coming and what pages they are visiting. So can we do that during sale time? Because again, like suppose during sale time, obviously our audience will be on higher. So to know what exactly people are doing means what pages they are into. Can we do that, guys? For sales period, because real time is what is happening in last 30 minutes. It is not lifetime. It is about last 30 minutes, whatever is happening. What about others? Can we do that? That was Tali, we are understanding what all I am discussing. That is an important thing you should know. So it's like just why I will see that in the sales period, because I will know what product or what like pages people are active. So that will give me idea like what are the people most for favorite product and what are the peoples that are liking basically. So that again in the real time, what we do, we check for the last 30-minute activity. Like last 30 minutes activity, I will say it's like particularly it is like very, very like good to check that and all. Now again, if I go ahead and all that, it's like particularly, it's like we can go and we can see on that basically once we go ahead with here, then again, particularly, it's like basically I will go and I will be checking on that basically. So after that, what you need to do, you will again go to the report option here. Once you click on the report option, after checking the demographics, what is demographics? Like you can say age, gender, basically, and the cities people are coming from and all that. Then we check the technical details of the people, like what they are doing around and all that. Basically, like which browser they are using, what is their screen and all that. And then we come to the real time to check what has happened in last 30 minutes in our website, what has happened in our last 30 minutes and all that. Now, after that, if we see here, so again, we will understand here this acquisition. So what is acquisition? Like the traffic, like you can say how the traffic acquisition is happening, means how the traffic is coming to our website. So in acquisition, you can directly move to this traffic acquisition. So what is traffic acquisition? It tells you about how the traffic is coming to our website. So again, if we go ahead here, see, we will be knowing in detail here how the traffic is coming to our website. So how our traffic is coming? So one is the direct traffic that I explained to you. Then we have organic search. Organic search is the SEO traffic. Means you can say whatever traffic we are getting from Google. And then we have organic social. So organic social is the social media traffic. And then we have the referral. Referral traffic is from the link. Suppose I shared you the link. But what is unassigned traffic? Any idea, guys, we have? Anyone wants to try? What is unassigned traffic here? Guys, what is unassigned traffic here? Anyone? Any idea what is the unassigned traffic? Ads, no. Ads will be promotion traffic, promotion one. Unassigned is not, Google does not have any idea. Means Google does not know from where that traffic has come. So unassigned is like the user of like Google does not have any idea of that, like from which medium they have come. It might be due to they are using VPN. It might be due to they are not logged in with Gmail ID or anything and all. So again, you Google can't track them. So that's why that is called as unassigned. So in simple words, unassigned is Google does not have idea of that traffic from where that is coming from. Now again, you can see here the same detail here, users, session is number of time. So anywhere in Google Analytics, if you are seeing session guys, that is called number of time. And the engage session is how many times people come to your websites and do some activity and all that. And then the average engagement time and all. So you can know all these details for the rest of analytics also. Now again, after traffic, so traffic is again important parameter. So by seeing this traffic, what we understand, guys? By seeing this traffic, so can we come to any conclusion? Like what we can understand with this traffic structure as of now? Suppose you are a digital marketer of the company and you want here to know, so what you will get out of this data? So can we come to any conclusion for this? So what, as a digital marketer, what I can take a note from this data? How much, how many number of visitors are visiting? Yes, that is correct. How many visitors are visiting? Known traffic. Okay. How much faster is a faster so that we can, Khyati, we can check in our SEO part, like with GT metrics and all. We can check. Yes, we can, how people are coming. Yeah, how many people are coming directly, how many are coming with organic search. So we can know from which medium is working for us, guys. Means I can know like, okay, what is working for us. So again, organic search is working, organic social is working, and direct is working. So again, rest other things like suppose email marketing or any other things like you can say advertisements and all. So I do need to do that as well, because if I do that, then again, there are more chances of getting that leads and all. Direct can get more traffic. So direct traffic is the known people. So that is again good thing. Website should be useful so that people may visit our. It should be, the content should be good, and its page speed should be very less so that it should load faster. So that's what one thing that we can know. Yeah, we can know. So most of the people have got the idea here. So the today's class idea was is particularly is about understanding our audience basically. Referral means link through link. So if I am sharing you link, you clicked on that, and then again you came to the website. So that will be called as referral. So generally, by seeing the data, what we understand is like basically from where people are coming and all. And traffic is very important for us to understand, because we as a digital marketer, we do SEO, we do social media, we do advertisements, we do email marketing and all. So we need to understand here by seeing analytics what is working best for us and what is going well, basically. Now, after traffic, guys, what you can see here is like basically user acquisition also you can see. So what is user acquisition is like how a user is coming. So let load first. Okay. So here also the same data you will get. So again, how the traffic is coming and all that. Out of that, how many are new users, that data you can see. It is pretty similar to the traffic data, where here you can see same thing like how many people are coming direct, organic, or social or referral. So this will give you an idea like basically how we are acquiring the traffic. That's why they have named it acquisition. So acquisition means how we are acquiring the traffic to our website, basically. So that is called as acquisition. So again, the major thing that we will see here will be again, like you can say direct traffic, organic search, organic socials and all that. And then again, we can see like how many of them who are coming to our website are new users. So we can see that data particularly. And then after that, we can see here the traffic acquisition. So traffic acquisitions, again, like that we already discussed, we can see idea about how we are getting the traffic. So in acquisition, if you understand why I am showing you this, is if you understand traffic acquisition, that is more than enough. You don't have to go one by one and you have to see each and everything, basically. And then afterwards come the engagement part. Now, what is engagement here? So again, you can go and you can click on engagement. So engagement is to see what event has been done, what pages and screen people have visited and all that. So again, in the engagement, you can see the average engagement time, the sessions in last 30 minutes, what pages people have seen and all. And again, you can see how many views you got. Views means how many, particularly how many pages views people see that, and then event count. And if you scroll down, here you can see the event count, what has happened. So this engagement is particularly, in short, if I say, it's to know what event has happened. Because if you go to the home, now you can see here the event, like how much event has happened, what has happened and all that. So we can know the questions, we can know here a lot of data and all. So here it will tell us about the particular event, like which events people are doing. So you can say engagement is for knowing the behavior of the people. So traffic is for knowing from where people are coming, where engagement is to know the behavior of the people. So in behavior, the first thing you can see is event, means what people are doing. Most of the people that is coming to our website, what actually they are doing. So they are viewing the page, most of them. Then they are session means number of times. So again, they are coming for the website. Some of them are the first visitors, and then they are some doing some activity. Some are scrolling it down, some are clicking on the link, whatever link is available on the website. So what does it tells you about is what activity people are doing. So it tells you about the behavior. So engagement is for knowing the behavior of the people, like how they are behaving and all that. Now, after that, if I go ahead here, no, I can go with the conversion option. So conversion, again, we discussed like it is a desired action that we want. So if I set the conversion, if I have the admin account, I can set the conversion, and then I will be knowing here the detail, like which conversion has happened and how much revenue that has generated, basically. So this all data is for knowing the, like you can say, basically what users, how user is behaving on our website, guys. Then we can go pages and screen. So we can go and we can see here pages and screen particularly. So again, pages and screen. So again, you can see which page is being viewed by people. So most of the people have viewed our home page, basically, and then about us page, and then contact us page. So this gives us the idea like, okay, which page people are liking, which page people are spending more time and all that. Because if you see now, most of the people have spent more time on the about us section. So people were interested in knowing the brand, like what does they do and all that. And most of the people have spent good time on the basically homepage also. So this again tells us about where people are spending most of the time. And then afterwards, we have the landing page. So again, landing page, you can see landing pages, which page people are landing. Landing pages, any page where people are landing after clicking on the link. So for example, people is searching SVR farms, and then just they click on this. And once they click on this, they are coming here to that. This is called as landing page. So landing page could be any page of the website. So it is just where we land basically. So landing page, you can always remember the page where we land after clicking on the link. So we can see here session, what are the sessions, how many events has happened, total revenue generated and all that. So this gives us the idea. This was the main thing that you need to understand. Apart from this, one data is retention. Now, what is monetization? Monetization is if I'm a blogger and all that, and if I have monetized my, like you can say blog. So again, this is a service-based business. So we don't need to see the monetization. So in short, if I say what is monetization, it is needed if you are a blogger, guys. If you are a blogger who is monetizing your website. For example, if I show you, like suppose if I go and if I show you like travel tales from India. So again, if I go to this website, you will see a lot of advertisement they are showing. So if I go, suppose I go to here, and again, if I scroll down here, so see this Dubai advertisement is coming. So this advertisement is coming from the Google, and Google will be paying to this blogger and all. So again, how it works? It's simply once you have the website, especially blogging website, and you are driving traffic through SEO, you can apply for the program of Google that is called as Google AdSense. And once they approve that, once Google approves your website for showcasing the ad, so you start earning. So Google AdSense is a program that Google offers, but Google checks. It's like your website content is good or not. Have you done the SEO of that? How much traffic you are getting from the internet and all those things we can Google consider, and then Google allow like particularly third-party websites to do the ads on your website. And if your ads on your website is going around, then we will see the data. Then we can see that data. So again, if I come here, so this monetization you can only see if you have like you can say particularly monetize your website. Means you are a blogger and you want like particularly to see how much earning you are doing through displaying the ads and all that. Now Google gives some money. Why? Because it's just simple. You can understand this with, suppose if I go and if I am like putting any boarding on your like you can say particularly is on Akhil house. So again, Akhil will be charging me. Akhil will be saying, okay, you are putting the hoarding on my house in the upfront. So you have to pay the charges. You have to pay the rent. The same way Google also pay the charges to the people. Yes, getting money to showing the ads basically. So again, monetization is not the part we will be interested in because this is a service business. So this business is all about the service business basically, where we can go and we can see here basically about all the services and all that. So it's like analytics, if I say. So this is the main thing that you guys needed to know. So again, like particularly if I just summarize it, whatever we have done today is like first thing what we understood is like how to connect Google Analytics with our own website. Now again, if we talked about basically, if we generally talked about after that, what we need, what we understood about the home page, like what is user, what is new users and all that data. And then we understood about the demographics. So in the report section, we understood about the demographics here and all that, where we can go and we can see basically what is the age, what is the gender, and again like you can say from where people are coming to our websites. And then afterwards basically, so we talked about basically after that the technology that people are spending basically time like coming to our website. And then we talked about real time, like what is happening right now on our website. And then we talked about here acquisition. Acquisition is how we are getting traffic. to know like, okay, which channel is working for us and all that. And then we talked about engagement. So what is engagement? Means people behavior on our website. So that's all what we particularly have discussed. So I hope everybody got the idea of Google Analytics, guys. Give me a yes if we got the idea. It's like it's as a marketer, we have to understand that to in order to understand our audience, because once you understand your audience, it is free. Pavitra, it is free. It is completely free. Google does not take charges for Google Analytics, basically. So what I will do, I will just summarize whatever we have discussed in our 16 days program. So starting from like particularly starting from the first day where we talked about if I say we just talked about the basic of the marketing. So again, just a quick revision for the basic of marketing. What one thing we need to remember, guys? Does anyone remember what we need to remember for the basic part? For basic of marketing, let me give you a clue. Marketing funnel. So what was the marketing funnel? Yes, EIDA. Correct. So what is EIDA? A stand for awareness. Then again, I stand for interest. D stand for desire. And A stand for action. So first we have to make people aware about our brand. Then again, we have to make people to know about our benefits of the product. So they will get interest into that. And then through product demonstrations, or giving free trial, we can have desires in people, like you can say mind. And then by giving some discount, we can go and we can convert them. So this is the model that you can apply anywhere in the marketing. So this one thing, if you remember, you will be able to do all the things and all that. Then after that, we talked about basically careers option in digital marketing. So career option in digital marketing, what we understood for fresher, what are the career options out there? So as a fresher, it's like you have to enter into the market, and again, like particularly you have to work as a digital marketer. We talked about why, because once you work as a digital marketer, you get every insight of every domain. Because if you are working as a digital marketer, you are handling SEO also, social media also, Google ads also, and all. So it will give you a very good idea about all the major platform. So that helps you to decide and choose your career and expertise very easily. And then afterwards, we talked about freelancing also, like how, like particularly what are the options available in freelancing and all. And then we talked about content creation also, if you remember. Like content creator, we took example of Ashish Chanchalani and all that, how they are making money, how they make money and all that. So that we talked about in our second day of class. And we talked about working in the company and all that. We talked basically. And again, after that, basically on day 3, we talked about like SEO, like what is SEO, what is the importance of SEO, like because why SEO is important. If I say in one thing, you have to make me understand why SEO is important. So what answer you guys will give, guys? If in short, if I will say why SEO is important, ranking, why ranking is important, that is correct answer. But why ranking is important, Suni? Come on, guys. Why SEO is important? Search optimization, because people don't go to the second page of the Google. People always click on the first few results. So if we are able to rank our website in the first few results, so we get more traffic, and more traffic leads to more sales. To generate the traffic, yes, Akansha, very good. To increase the traffic of the website, and eventually it will increase our sales also. Then in the SEO, we talked about like you can say on-page SEO and off-page SEO and local SEO. So on-page SEO was all about whatever we do for our website optimization, like keyword research, page speed, sitemap, and then meta tags and all that we talked about. That was all part of our on-page SEO. And off-page SEO, we talked about the link building, and then local SEO, we talked about the review rating page, that is Google My Business and all that. So we talked about that. And then afterwards, basically, we go and we talked about on the day 5, we talked about the Google Ads. And we talked about what is Google Ads, what is one important things about Google Ads. So again, what is difference between SEO and Google Ads, guys? Can we type quickly in the chat box what we understood, what is SEO and what is Google Ads? What is the difference here between SEO and Google Ads? Do anyone remember from our class? That was our day 5 class. Ads are paid. Yes, that is correct observation. Organic is SEO. That is also correct, Amina. And what is one advantage we get with the paid? Yes, it is for promotion. That is also correct. Akanksha, well said. SEO is organic, Google is paid. And what is one advantage that we get with the paid marketing? Do we remember that? Yes, we can definitely increase engagement. Targeting, guys. We can precisely target. Like I can target people in certain location, certain age group, or certain particularly you can say gender wise also. So that is the one advantage that we have with the advertisements. Yeah, it is shown in the top of the Google. That is Vishal also a good point. But main advantage we have is we can target specifically to the certain sets of people generally. And then afterwards, we did the search ads. Like what are search ad? Whatever comes when we go and when we type something in Google. So if I go and if I type something in Google, like if I go and if I type your digital marketing course in Bangalore, then whatever ads that I am getting, this is called as majorly search ads. So this we talked about. Then we talked about Performance Max campaign on our day 6. So anyone remember what was Performance Max campaign? And why it was one of the most used by the advertiser? Ads on the third party. Okay. Search is a top of Google. It is shown on the top of Google. But what was Performance Max? New company uses mostly. Okay. Why it uses Hertz? That is correct answer. But why it uses desired results? Okay. Done for the brand reach audience. Yes, that is very correct answer, Akansha. Thank you so much. So it is like a particularly one ad that will come here on the Google or on the third party also, on the YouTube also. So one ad that we can do everything. We can do brand awareness also. We can look for conversion. We can do like consideration also. So it simply comes on all major Google platform. So that is the reason why that Performance Max is being used by the people. And there were two targeting option in Performance Max. So what were those two targeting? Main targeting. There was the demographics also. But what was the two main targeting, guys? Do we remember? Let me tell you one. One was based upon their interest. And the second was, one was based upon their interest. And second was whatever people are typing on the Google. So if you remember audience signal, so in the audience signal, we used to do that. Yeah, based upon searches. Thank you so much, Vishal, that you are absolutely correct. One was based upon searches and one was based upon interest. And then we moved out to our seventh day. So 7th day, we did email marketing. So in email marketing, what generally we do as a digital marketer? Do we remember, guys? What are the most important part that we as a digital marketer do in email marketing? Promotion via mails. First is we design the mail, guys. First thing is, most important thing about email marketing is we design the mail. Second, we send in the bulk, like we create the list. And third, we analyze the report. So 3 things is important in email marketing. One is designing the mail that we did for with the MailChimp. And second, with Google Sheet, if you remember, we seen how we can prepare the list. So list preparation is the second thing. And third is sending the mail and analyzing the report. So report, what we analyze, how many people open our mail, how many people clicked on our mail, how many people marked that as a spam and all. So that all we do check that. Yes, Nitin, you are correct on that. We do check our spam score and all that with mail tester and all. And today we talks about Google Analytics. So I hope everyone enjoyed the session, and I hope everyone learned something new in this 8 day, guys. Give me a quick cheers before I like pass the call and pass the mic to my teammates and all. Give me cheers, guys. Okay, there are a lot of cheers. I'm so happy you guys enjoyed it and you get some, like you can say, sort of knowledge and all about digital marketing. Thank you so much, guys. You were lovely, lovely audience and all. Now, again, do not leave, guys. Here, I will just our one of our team member will be talking to you, and they will be sharing some information. So please be here, like till the last, till you feel the attendance and all that. So please be here. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone, for such a lovely response. I loved it. So just now I am just going and forwarding my call. So it was a lovely time. I really enjoyed. You guys were awesome, guys. Thank you so much. Now just a minute, guys. Hi, Amar, you are there.
Yeah, I'm there.
So should I leave?
Yeah. Thank you so
Okay.
much, Roshan, for such a wonderful sessions.
Thank you for giving me opportunity. Thank you, guys. Have
Yeah.
a great day ahead and wish you all the best to all of the people.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So Irfan sir,
Yes,
you can go ahead.
yes, Amar. Thank you so much
Yeah.
for handing over. Yeah, hello everyone. I would like to first thank to Roshan that uh, wonderful sessions, absolutely wonderful sessions. So I just wanted to take a moment to thank uh, to our team, EDL team, complete EDL team, as well as all the students and faculties who participated in our wonderful 8 days program. That was awesome program. Your commitment and your engagement made this truly valuable experience for all of us. Now, for those who participated in the program, I have an announcement, students. We are very much excited and happy to announce our next free training program on CRT, that is Campus Recruitment Training, mastering quantitative aptitude to crack job interviews. Yes, you are listening rightly. Campus Recruitment Training, mastering quantitative aptitude to crack job interviews for 16 hours, guys, commencing from 6th of Feb 2023. And the timing is same, evening 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. on weekdays. So we request you to circulate this message, which is now Amar will be posting in a chat box. So I would like to request Amar, please post that link, Amar, in the chat box.
Yeah. Registration link already posted.
Yeah, upcoming program.
Yes.
Yes, so we request you to circulate the message across the students and faculties in your college to attend this program and gain the knowledge and participation certificate from ExcelR for free. Moving ahead, yes, you are a little bit curious about that, about your certificate. So we will be showing participation certificates in the next 5 to 6 working days. But please note that in order to receive a certificate, you must have attended at least 60% of the program. If you have any questions about your attendance, please don't hesitate to reach out at edl@excelr.com. We are also uh, uh, pleased to announce that you are getting all those certificates that free of cost. So I request all of you, please attend all the sessions, upcoming programs. We will be having a great sessions ahead. So finally, don't forget to follow us on our social media handles for updates and announcements. You can find us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, then Telegram also. So I would like to, Amar, again please post all social media links of ExcelR.
Yeah, it's done.
Thank you, Amar. Thank you so much. Thank you again for your participation, and we hope very excited to see you at our next program, that is CRT based program, Mastering Quantitative Aptitude to Crack Your Job Interviews. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Over to you, Amar.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir. Guys, if you have any query question now, then please drop in chat box. I will help you on the same. Yeah, sir already explained regarding the certificate. I will explain once again. So those who attended 60 and more than 60% of the sessions, they will receive their certificate within next 5 to 6 working days. I think it's clear now. Yeah, guys, I will share the attendance link. Don't worry about the attendance. If you have any query or question, please drop in chat box. Ijaro, please drop a mail on edl@excelr.com for such a query. I will drop that mail in the chat box. Yeah. Someone is asking for an assignment. So we'll upload the assignment in the LMS. So assignments is just for practice. No need to submit assignments. Okay, guys? Ashok, please drop a mail. Yeah, certificate will be received. Don't worry about the certification. If you attended more than 60% of the session, then you will receive that. Oh, guys, if you have any query question regarding to the data analytics certification, please drop a mail on edl@excelr.com. Our team will check your attendance and update you on the same. You will receive your certificate via registered mail ID. Yeah, CRT is going to start from 6th of the February. The time is same, 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. every day for 8 days and 16 hours. Yes, guys, I'm sharing the today's attendance link just to give me 1 minute. I hope you enjoyed the digital marketing sessions. Yeah, sharing attendance link, 1 minute. Yes, I shared the attendance link chat box. Guys, please mark your attendance and give your valuable feedback. There are lots of questions. Guys, please wait. I will answer your question. Please wait for some time. Lalita, absolutely. So we enjoyed the gain knowledge and thank you for you're welcome, Lalita. Thank you so much, all of you, for such a valuable feedback. CRT program session time is mentioned on ExcelR dashboard, right? Yes, Bhavna. CRT program time is same only 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. I am sharing the registration link in once again in the chat box. Guys, please register for the program and get knowledge and share with your friends, with your college, with your colleagues. Varsha saying, thank you so much, sir. You're most welcome, Varsha. Thank you so much, Ali. Siri, yes, sir. We learned too many things. Thank you for conducting these sessions. You're welcome, Siri. Guys, I will explain once again regarding the certificates. Don't worry about the certificate. You will receive it within next 5 to 6 working days if you attended more than 60% of the session. Attendance is mandatory only. Sai Gokul, definitely it's useful for banking as well. Because in IBPS exam, the quantitative aptitude is there, more than 30 marks, so you can. Can you please social media link in the group? Yeah, I'm sharing the social media links once again. Just allow me 1 minute. There is no any WhatsApp group. You can join the ExcelR Telegram group. Bhavna, I really enjoyed the sessions and I learned something new about digital marketing. You're welcome, Bhavna. Khyati, thank you so much for great sessions. You're welcome, Khyati. Thank you so much, Govind, for such a valuable feedback. If you have any exams, then you need to see recorded sessions. Sayyid Roshan, yeah, if you have no any query question and you are done with your attendance, then you can leave. Najen Sultan, thank you so much, sir. Thank you, Sadhna. Thank you, Najen. Thank you, Sivanga. We would like Roshan, there is no any option on the same. You just need to get the knowledge on the same. We would like to learn data science with Python first faculty development program. Please drop a mail on edl@excelr.com. My team will help you on the same. Satya Prakash Singh, sir, this is the wonderful session for. Thank you, Satya. Thank you so much, all of you, for such a valuable feedbacks. Bye, Harsh. Bye. Thank you, Abhishek. Thank you, Pavitra. Yeah, bye, Nikita. Bye. Who is there? मैंने register किया but dashboard पर कुछ नहीं आया. You will get. Don't worry about that. Thank you, Jatin. Yeah, Vishal. If you have no any query question, you are done with your attendance, then you can leave the sessions. Attendance link. Okay. I will post attendance link once again. And if you have any query question, please drop a mail to edl@excelr.com. Our team will help you on the same. Don't hesitate to mail. Aditya, Srikant, thank you. Yeah, Atika. If you have any query, then please drop. Lokesh, please drop a mail. Okay, Ali, I'm sharing. There is such a valuable feedback from Sayyid. Thanks for sharing the wonderful knowledge, and it was a pleasure to study about the digital marketing with you guys. Once again, thank you so much. You're welcome. Bye bye. Thank you so much. Thank you, Manshik. Guys, you will get the recorded sessions of digital marketing on the LMS only. Bye, Atika. Bye. I hope everything is covered now. If you have any query, please drop now, and we'll wind up the session within next 2 to 3 minutes. In LMS, you will get the recorded sessions, material, and assignment in LMS only. Thank you, Vamsi. There is a Sadhna at YouTube. It is a blockbuster class. I really liked it. Thank you so much, Sadhna. Which link not opening, Sairaj? Rahan Sheikh. I will meet you in the next. No problem. Yes, CRT is going to start from the 6th of the February. Na? So I request you, all of you, please register for this program. It will help you at the time of cracking your job interviews. Siri, it's ExcelR Solutions. LMS is a learning management system. If you don't have the access now, please drop a mail on edl@excelr.com. Arjun, thank you, sir, for providing such a wonderful session. Sure, welcome, Arjun. Bye, guys. Yeah, Akash, I'm sharing the link for CRT. Anil asking for an attendance link. Just a minute, Anil, I will say that. Vittal, no need of that. So guys, thank you so much once again for attending the program. Yeah, so I'm winding the sessions. Thank you so much, guys, for attending. All the